BJP Vice President Bernard Marak is open to contest Lok Sabha elections from Tura Parliamentary seat if the leadership wishes him to. Bernard said this on Tuesday when asked if the Saffron Party can dethrone the Sangma family's stronghold in Tura Parliamentary seat. It may be mentioned that the Sangma family has been winning Lok Sabha elections from Tura for several terms, and none except Deborah Marak even came close to defeating President Tura MP Agatha Sangma in the parliamentary polls.
Party decides to field a candidate, and if they feel that I'm a fit candidate, yes, I might contest. But then there are other leaders also. There are other leaders who will be more eligible than me. So we are open to it. We are open to it. We want leaders to come in. We want the areas to get benefit.